Joins us now to let us know what kind of weather we'll expect.
Oh, it looks like we might be dealing with some rain, changing into some snow this evening, I think, even for Albuquerque.
Festive,
yeah,
sorta.
It will be festive. It'll feel like Christmas, right? But we are going to be keeping a close eye on things. Right now, Albuquerque under the winter weather advisory, but a lot of the state actually under winter storm warnings, and you can already see some of the snow that's fallen up at Sandia Peak. 37 right now in Albuquerque, so not too much above the freezing mark right now. The winds have certainly subsided, so good news there. And of course, gray skies. You can almost smell the snow out there. It is cold, and it's going to be cold enough for snow later on today. That system working its way into western New Mexico and into the Four Corners. Durango already picking up some decent snow out of this, and you're going to continue to see it as we head through the weekend, and it will start to taper off a little bit by Sunday, but certainly some good news for the skiers and snowboarders, but not only in Colorado, good news for the skiers and snowboarders in New Mexico, because a lot of you are going to get hammered up in the mountains. Here's a look at what's going on. The heart of the system still over in Arizona, but still we're getting some of those snow showers again up in the Four Corners with some heavier snow in the Gila, and starting to see that collect along I-25 from Socorro down into TRC. More moisture heading up here, and we're going to continue to see that fill in. And again, Albuquerque, you're going to be looking at the chance to get some snow out of this as early as late afternoon over the next few hours, and then especially as we head into the evening and continuing through early tomorrow morning. Out to the east, mostly cloud cover, but we've had some freezing drizzle and patchy freezing fog up in the northeast, and that's certainly making those roads really iffy. Bad today, but it's only going to get worse out east over tomorrow. So we'll take you through here. Four Corners, San Juan's rain snow mix for the lower terrain. Of course, that'll change over into all snow once the sun goes down. Showers will be on and off through tomorrow afternoon and then taper off overnight tomorrow night into early Sunday. Farmington could see 2 to 6 inches of snow, and of course the San Juan's a lot more than that. Up in the northern mountains, you're really going to get hammered by the system. Snow will develop later this afternoon, mainly light, and then it becomes heavier this evening through the overnight hours and into early tomorrow. 6 to 12 inches likely as we head towards Sunday, and we could see more on the east slopes, and of course a lot of that going to happen over up near Eagle Nest. You're probably going to see a lot of this and up in the northeast too. For the metro, rain snow mix late today, this evening, overnight, scattered snow showers. Could be heavy at times this evening. If you're going to be doing any traveling this evening, be very careful. Light snow possible tomorrow, and we could be looking at anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in the metro area. Foothills, maybe up to 6 inches of snow out of this if the winds are on our side. So something we'll keep a close eye on. And of course up in the northeast, freezing, fog, black ice, the main issue today. Heavy snow tonight, and again, heavy bands are going to be moving your way over in the northeast and in the east central parts of the state. 6 to 12 inches of snow by tomorrow, and then frigid temperatures through Monday, and you could even be looking at some snow through Monday. And then across the south, again, already starting to see that wintry mix across the southwest. It'll become heavier through the day, and then an icy mix likely for the southeast, even with some wintry precip there continuing through tomorrow. Temperature-wise, not far above the freezing mark for most of you, and some of you close to the freezing mark. So once that sun goes down, again, we're not going to be looking at the mix. We're going to be looking at that changeover into all snow for everyone. Metro area, 5 o'clock, upper 30s. Mix of rain and snow. When you head home from work, it could be heavy at times between 5 and 7 o'clock, and even through the early part of the night here, changing over to snow by 7 o'clock, and then by tomorrow morning, a scattered light snow in the forecast with temperatures in the low 30s. And now your extended forecast here. Southern Colorado, mostly cloudy, mix of rain and snow again for the lower terrain. Tonight all snow, and then scattered snow in the forecast as we head through Sunday, but starting to diminish early Sunday. North and west, mostly cloudy here. A scattered mix today, and then changing over into snow tonight. We clear things out by early next week. South and west, be careful on I-25, down even into I-10. You're going to be running into wintry precip there, and we could be looking at wintry weather all the way through early next week. Down in the southeast, freezing fog, that's been an issue for you. We'll be watching for rain snow mix this afternoon, changing over into all snow. We could see some accumulating snow in the southeast as well as we head through tomorrow. Clearing out on Sunday, north and east, scattered snow. Your big time snow will move in late tonight, early tomorrow morning. I would not advise traveling tonight or tomorrow morning in the northeast or the east central parts of the state, and we could be looking at wintry weather through early next week. East mountains, snow showers. Temperatures in the 30s, and of course up in the northern mountains, we're going to be watching for heavy snow up that way for the metro. Snow showers in the forecast for this evening through early tomorrow morning, and then we're going to be watching for the chance for maybe a little more snow tomorrow night. Sunday, a little light snow in the forecast. You know what? Right now, Monday, looking like we could see a big snow to wrap up this whole thing.
Oh, wow.
Nice,
so
nice.
we'll be watching it.
Okay, thanks a lot, Kristen.